Hello, and thank you for joining us today for a step-by-step guide to using the WPRP online quote builder. Let's jump right in so we can start quoting. First, we'll want to navigate to the WPRP homepage and click Login. You're going to want to log in using your existing username and password. If you don't have an existing account, you'll need to register as a WPRP dealer and return to the quote builder once you're set up. Once logged in, you'll see your My Account dashboard. On the left-hand side, there will be a number of links, including your previous quotes, default address, dropship addresses, account details, dealer pricing, and a link to the quote builder. We're going to click the link to the quote builder. Depending on your shipping location or the items you need, choose either East Stroudsburg or Maple Grove quote builder location. Now you're officially in the quote builder. Here you can use the product filter to narrow down the types of products shown. For our example, we'll select frames. Once you find the product you're looking for, click through to the product page. Adjust the quantity if needed, and then click Add to Quote. To continue shopping, click Back to Quote Builder. Otherwise, click the cart link in the upper right. We're going to go ahead and view our cart items. Here you can double check to make sure you have all the items you need and none of the ones you don't need. If you decide you want to start over, you can click the Cancel Quote button to clear your cart and return to the quote builder. Under the Cart Totals heading, you'll see the option to either use your own carrier or add the estimated freight rate to your quote. Choose one of the two options and click Build Quote. Next, we're going to fill out our billing details. If the shipping address is different from the billing, go ahead and check the box and fill in the shipping information. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Take one last look at your totals and click Build Quote again. To view and download a PDF of your quote, click the View Quote button. And just like that, you've successfully created a quote. You may now either log out or you can click the My Account link at the top right to create another quote or view details. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. Remember, our goal is to help you.